The box is cute. It got handle to carry.
The art is beautiful. She's so gorgeous.
I know she is quite plain, but in person is so worth it. The reason why I fell in love again about Bratz is that they are high quality and also very pretty. Look at her face, so mesmerizing. And the hair is so soft. It is nylon. I wish they gave her a highlights on her hair, so it doesn't look boring. Also she doesn't have parting on her hair. Who cares? I love her anyway. Now her outfit. Her top is very Y2K. And her jeans have this ribbon. It was sewn. And her shoes, so beautiful. It got painted details. She got few accessories, like this weird looking wings, which is you attached it on her back with this clip. And the last accessory is this plastic bag, a butterfly bag. Also she came with a ring on where you attached her wings to it. That's it for today. I will give 4 stars for this doll. It's so good to see Bratz again. And still got quality. Unlike with her competitor. Anyway, thanks for watching.